What's up, guys? My name's Lucas, and this is my brother Michael on Super Smash Kids Family Fun. Today we're going to make this video, and it's going to be Slime Laboratory with it. So, we're gonna play as 2 players, and we're starting on level 9 because it's the hardest level, and we want to start it on level 9. So let's go 2 players and get.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay,
it's one of
let's go,
these
let's go.
it's one of these levels where it's the goo. If you played this level, send it down in the comments.
So there's slime-ish stuff that is rising and it's trying to kill you.
It's like poison goo.
Yeah, it's soup. Me and Lucas have played this before. That's why we're kind of good.
Yeah, kinda good.
Yeah, kind of good. Oh shoot, the goo's right there.
We can fuse together. But
Yeah, we can fuse
do not
together.
wanna
Oh
do
shoot.
that.
See, that's kind of how you die.
It's just a funny slime game. That's why we chose this.
I'm player 2 and he's player 1.
My brother is way better, so he could be player 1, but he's better as player. God.
I'm locking in. Oh shoot.
Come on.
No.
Wait, where are you?
I died.
And if we stretch, if our slime gets
If you stretch too much, then you die. And that's the funny part of the game. Because when you stretch too much, then it gets really funny.
It lags out technically, but not lagging out for some reason.
Yeah, stay right there. No. Bro. We die a lot on this level, and we've died a lot on this level because it's really hard.
I just want to figure out what level 10 is.
Oh, you made it.
Really
where am
close. I don't know where you are.
You're gonna die soon.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Where am I? Oh,
That's
I was so ahead of the goo.
Victory not being ahead. There's little revive things that go around once in a while if you make it far enough into a level. But we try and make this with no ads. This video with no ads.
We try to do no ads.
Like that's a check.
Okay, respawn you.
These are the hardest jumps in the game. It gets harder.
Yep.
Too spiky.
I made it.
We've never got into this part. I just
go.
Know.
Get off. Wait.
Go the other way. Go the other way.
Trying.
Wait, what?
Trying to go.
What's happening? I just
go left. Go left. I'll go right. I'm just dragging you. Wait, what's this do? Oh, this is flip gravity. Whee!
Oh God, why'd you click it?
It's right there.
Can we switch gravity back? Oh God, it's right there too.
Oh!
Come on, Michael.
Lucas! No! Go! Get to... Yes! We did it!
Finally! We did it! So this is the 10th level. We've never been in it.
Yeah, we've never been in this.
If you want to...
That's the funny part of the game, when you do that.
Oh God.
See?
I don't know what ground spikes are.
I'm a little Christmas tree. I'm gonna go in the bottom. Because there's probably a 2-button thing that we need to do. Knew it.
Yep. Unlocks the cage. So
hold it down.
This, then it unlocks it forever.
Yeah, so if you die, then is key. This stays down.
Stay it down till it gets to the very. Take the top for now. Oh,
Oh,
here
also
comes the
a really
funny
fun part is you can grow big.
Is it? Let me. Ow. But let me try it. Come on.
I stole the big Sigma.
God. Scared. Fine. Oh yeah.
No,
we
no,
need,
wait,
we
wait.
need bigger.
No, wait. Keep waiting. And now. Stay up.
Oh God. Helicopter.
I need that. Oh, now you're a big guy. I'm scared. I should be scared. I'm gonna stay down here so I can get. I'm gonna stay down here so I can get enough. I just need one more skirt. Oh,
I'm the big.
I guess 3 more. I just need. Wait, what? It landed on me and didn't. Okay.
You need one more? That's all it does for now. That's all it does for now. There's
Okay,
something
I'm
on
coming
this
up.
side.
Wait, I got that one. I get that one. You can't grow bigger.
I want.
See, you can't grow bigger. Wait, let me have it.
Oh God. No. Big dudes. Just gonna get up here.
Okay, I'm a bigger guy now.
Let me merge. We have two Oh.
Oh, this wall seems small.
Aww.
Oh no. Lucas, help me.
You know, we can always just you get that one. Fine. You get this one. Lucas. Wait, what? That's all for you? Now help me get up here.
Wait, I'm supposed to have one more.
No, you're not. I want that one. Oh,
No, I wanted that one.
Fine. Where's the left for this? Right here. Michael just wants to come. Okay, bye-bye, Michael. There's one more over there if you want.
I know, yeah. I'm going over.
This is gonna be.
Boom.
Now we're too big. Jump.
I can get one more.
No.
There's one more available.
No, there's not. I'm leaving it.
Okay, fine, I'll leave.
I want to merge together. No, we don't. Go back up.
What is this?
Go back up.
Shrink down into normal size.
That's what I'm trying.
Go into normal size.
I'm trying.
Hit the down button. There we go.
Alright, now spread apart.
Yeah, you take top, I'll go bottom.
What?
No, we're all the way back here.
Sad thing is, that was only your first checkpoint. Like when we merged together on.
Whee!
Oh, I forgot. Spikes are all back here. Let's do the up one. Jump. Right.
I'm trying.
Spread apart. Whee!
I'm gonna make it there before you.
Okay.
Okay,
Swear,
so
we need one of these two. Just
like that. Wait, why did the?
wait, what? Why did the music change?
I mean, I'm not. I
I'm not
mean that it's
happy.
a good song, so
Bang. The music just changed. That's not. That's a big one.
I'm bigger.
Bye-bye. My
I just
side?
need one more to make the
It's
jump.
down there, I think. I'll go check.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's one. There's one.
I don't
Okay.
think we need. Oh, yeah,
Down.
we do need. No.
And now I'm big.
Oh, God, you're big, big, big. Ah. Just.
Huh? Well, now I need one more.
Now you need one more. Oh, yep, just get that one.
Num num. All I need is this, I'm pretty sure. How big are you? Okay, yeah.
Bye bye. God. Hey, go back up. We need a plan for this.
You need to get you take the bottom. I'll take the bottom, you take the top. Let him cross.
Yeah, I'm dead. Alright, now go up. Ugh. Go! Why didn't you go?
Cause I couldn't.
Why?
Cause I would have died.
Oh, wouldn't. Wait, go down.
Bro, why are you dragging me out?
You're like, I'm no. Go down. And down. Fine. Divine gravity with. Come on. Hey, there's a.
Wait a minute. Dang.
Haha. Wait, I'm leaving. Michael, help. I will stop. It won't go.
Okay, fine. You can take.
My piece. My piece.
You can take
Leave it.
none.
Leave it for a while. Leave it. Leave it for a
Okay.
while. Leave it.
I'm gonna kill you. I bet I could just make this jump right now. Yep, bye bye.
No.
Here, attach onto me and I can pull you up.
Okay.
Here, you gotta jump with me. Oh shoot.
Fine. Hey, now we're
Got
both
it.
big dudes. We can make this jump. We don't need that piece. But I do want to look like the alpha.
Wait, Lucas, help me.
So I guess
Jump with me.
Jump. Then we go.
How come you are not pulling me up? Just pull me.
Boing. Okay, come on, little
Take
one.
me with you.
Bye.
I go first. And I take the bottom.
can ever take. Go, go, go. We both take the bottom, bro. Both take the bottom. No, I'm staying
Oh,
down.
I did it.
I'm dead. Alright, we just need that checkpoint? Yes. Yeah, yeah. There's something that we need. Bang. I got it. I got it. I did it.
Okay, I'll get on this side. You get on the other side.
On the side. Okay, so
level
we're
11.
finally on to the next level.
Level 9 was the hardest.
Level 9 was hard. I remember level 5.
Ooh, these lasers. These are annoying because you have to wait for the power to go down. And then you can cross them.
No. Oh, God. No.
Oh, this again. Yay.
No, I don't like these.
No, we don't want power-ups.
Remember what I do? Oh, yeah, this is my nightmare. I'll move. This is my nightmare. Oh, God. Wait for me. Ooh.
Oh, no.
Scary. Scary.
That's where it gets funny.
I was there. You're gonna die.
I died.
Fade away. Oh God, I need this by myself now. Oh. Why does her eyes on the top of her? Stiller. Perfect timing.
Okay, and then slide.
No, what are you doing? Go. Stay. Oh God,
I died. You can revive me if you get there.
I'm not dead. I'm not dead yet. Go!
Stay.
Yes. I did it. I did it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I did it. I did it.
You're stuck on the loop.
Stretches.
It's an infinite loop.
Okay, so no, God.
No, don't die.
We're just gonna do one more lap until.
One more attempt, and then we end.
I'm scared. We don't like power-ups. They suck. Last time we got shield.
Wait. Stay back a bit. I look like a boomerang.
I do not want to get stuck like I did last time. That sucked. Oh God.
Oh no, I died.
Alright, I'm dead.
Come on, you can
I
revive
might
me.
be dead too. I might. I have a feeling I might die.
Don't die.
I'm gonna die.
Not yet.
Oh, not this again. Stuck.
Come on, you're still alive. Just wait. Yeah. No. Revive me. Yeah. We did it. We did it.
Oh, God.
Wait, there's
Heck no.
spikes.
Ah! It's gonna be on the end. Oh, God, it's in the middle. I want to see you try. Yeah.
And on our final attempt, bam.
I wouldn't
Okay.
say finals.
So, and that's the
end
end of this video. So,
leave a like.
make sure to leave a like. Smash
the
that
like
subscribe button. You already said like. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out.